Brittany, baby, we had a good run. We really did. Last video there was a huge mess, so I sort of fixed up everything, by the way. Don't mind the random tomatoes there. Oof, and the biggest thing. If you haven't watched the last video, please watch it because just look at this. Just look at it. Bro, actually went ahead and sent me out this, which is like the one thing I needed to finish the rear end of the Z. Technically, basically. What do you guys think? I think I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here right now. Ooh, that looks so clean, dude. No idea how it goes on, but how do I put this on though? Okay, I sort of got it installed, but it's way to the right because I actually used the hardware. And I just kind of bolted it on some random spot. I don't know if you guys can see. You guys can see right there, but I think I'm just gonna zip tie it like in the middle. It's not for function anyways. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. I think I'll fix it later, yeah. I swear though, getting out of those seats makes me move my body in a way I've never done before. You boys good? Alright, we're strapped in. Yo, I can't wait for my racing harnesses. Like, just imagine, boys, it's coming from here. Woo! Man, I'm excited. Also, I'm gonna talk about that when the harness is coming, actually, not now. 17.8 miles to the gallon. What's good, bro? What? No way. The fact that I'm just so much more hugged into the seat, oh my gosh, I didn't realize how different this car feels. Like, it feels like a proper race car, dude. Brittany, baby, we had a good run. We really did. Not gonna lie, this is pretty sad. The fact that this is gonna be my last drive, if not one of my last drives, like actual drives, it's really sad. But you boys know what that means. I know that was fun, but I really just want to put it out there, guys. Please stay home. That's the whole reason why I'm making this video, just to put out a message, obviously entertain you guys, but please stay home as much as possible. But yeah, that's weird. After tonight at midnight, we Floridians were told we cannot leave our homes. So yeah, unless for like essential stuff, like you're going to work at an essential job, groceries, blah blah blah. But do not worry, content is gonna be same as always, hyped. We actually, should I say this now? If you hear this, I'm gonna need you guys to comment below and tell me how excited you are. We might have bought the final piece to the 300ZX exhaust. To the 300ZX exhaust I've always wanted. Like my dream exhaust. I might have just bought the last remaining piece. So yeah, do not worry, content's still gonna be lit as always, bro. Like if you're watching right now and you're not subscribed or haven't thumbs up the video, what are you doing? Just freaking do it. My tow hook strap fell off. No! Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. No way, dude. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Dude, we gotta find it. Man, I love this car. But the fact that now we have such an amazing interior to go along with the exterior, man, this is just unreal, bro. And the best part of it all is that I've been able to like document everything that I've done to this car. So I look at it as like a time machine. Like everything has been recorded, so you can go back in time whenever you want. That's why I love filming and just creating content. And I encourage you guys to do so too. Like, not even like YouTube videos, just like even for yourself, just so you can remember and have memories. Like, record every little thing you do to the car, just like a nice little vlog for yourself. And I promise, like, you're gonna enjoy the process even more. All right, now on a serious note, I am gonna find that tow hook strap. We're gonna go back to where we were, and we're gonna find it. Simple as that. I am starting to give up. I can't seem to find it. I am gonna be so sad. I had that thing on for like 5 minutes. Most people zip tied. I actually used the bolts. I have no idea how that thing fell off. We stopped here. This whole road, I didn't find it. Bruh. Let's look one more time. Can you imagine? Okay, I got one more place to look at. If it's not there. Ah, this sucks, dude. Hey, yo, have you seen my tow strap? No? They're staring at me, but I guess not. Time to put gas. Ooh. Have you guys seen the gas prices? I guess this is the only like one good thing out of this whole thing. Not gonna lie, I think that's a cop right there. He's not doing anything illegal. Come on, make me feel alive. Dun, dun. This car sounds beautiful, but it's about to go to another level of beautiful. I can't wait. Second trip to the gas station. We gotta take advantage of the gas prices. We just gotta do it. Oh, update on the little strap. We couldn't find it. Let's just cue like a nice montage of the 3-4 minutes I had with it. Let's just, it deserves it. Way to the right, cause one thing I needed to finish the rear end of the Z. This car's idle is just like a GTR, not even playing. The turbo spool and blow-off valves and how quick it spools has changed tremendously on this car. Holy crap. This car is bouncy right now, but I remember when I bought it, since the rear tires were dry rotted, every single little thing that I go over was like just bounce nation, dude. Let me know down below how you guys are gonna spend your quarantine. I'm thinking about making a video of like different things car guys, just anybody can do to pass time and actually do productive stuff. But yeah, if for some reason you're part of the 70% of the people that are on this channel and aren't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Stay safe out there, and yeah, with that said, hasta luego. Have a great one, guys. Alright, my other camera died. This is my last resort. Like, if it's not on this road that I'm on right now, we lost it. And I'm gonna be so sad. Not even gonna lie. Come on, man. I can't believe I lost it. How do I not find it though? That's the weird part. That guy's going through the same thing I always go through. I don't know if any of you can answer this. Why do sometimes when you try to put gas in, it keeps on like popping out? It didn't happen to me. It hasn't happened to me in a while actually, but it's just funny to see somebody go through it. Whew. I'm gonna keep saying it. The videos lately have been doing absolutely amazing. You guys are loving them. I'm loving making them. I'm loving editing them. I'm just loving sharing this time with you guys. So thank you so much for the support.